my wife and my kids are going for vacation kasi tapos na yung school dito, di ba? So, I'm planning to send them no, sa
When was this?
Philippines. This is to 2022. I told her, you stay muna with grandfather sa tatay ko kasi I want my father to really spend time with the grandkids, no? So pagdating sa Pilipinas, my wife noticed na yung sakit ni father, which is the Parkinson's disease, is advancing. Okay, so parang ang bilis ng progress na hindi na siya masyadong nakakalakad ng walang bantay, nagkaka-start magka-dementia. So sinabi niya kagad sa akin, sabi niya, I think you should come home. Nagulo ang mundo ko, honestly. So, wala talaga akong plan na to resign from the corporate job, no? Pero kasi parang ang feeling ko is, okay, since ganun yung feedback from the Philippines na kailangan kong umuwi, I told my wife, okay, I'm going to send home yung mga gamit natin dito sa Pilipinas. I'm going to sell my car. But then when I got home, tinatanong ko kasi lagi yung father ko. Sabi ko, nakita ko na nga, no, may Parkinson's disease and talagang nag-start mag-deteriorate. Alam mo yung meron talagang dementia na sometimes tatanungin ka, sino ka ba? And then one time, I asked him, sabi ko, what do you think? Should I go back to Dubai or should I stay in the Philippines with you? And then ang sagot niya, sabi niya, pwede naman. And he cannot say directly na, you stay. Alam mo yun, kasi he knows na yung life mo in Dubai is good and all set up, no? So, that's the time when I said, I think this is a calling na for me to stay.